Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, let's take a look at Echelon Prime and see where we can land with the price target for the 2024-2025 bull run. But before we dive on into this video is for entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. And while I appreciate that so many of you are hopping in here from all over the place, you've got to hit that subscribe button. I make price target videos every day at 6 a.m. Eastern time on the dot. I try to go live multiple times a week. I try to keep up as much as possible with this rapidly evolving crypto space. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification button as well so that you don't miss a thing. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive on into this. So Echelon Prime is a gaming cryptocurrency. I really like this gaming cryptocurrency. I like what they're building. I have some concerns when it comes to tokenomics, because don't I always? I get it. I know. So Echelon Prime, I have no idea what's going on in this trading view chart. I tried getting rid of all this stuff. That's the first time I've ever seen anything like this, where they have price points for big news events. So Parallel Studios secures 35 million in funding. Cool. I didn't know how to get rid of that. This is the first time, literally the first time I ever saw anything like that. So Echelon Prime's been doing very well price-wise recently. This is the kind of cryptocurrency, gaming cryptocurrency, that instead of Axie Infinity, which I made my Axie Infinity video yesterday. Axie Infinity was huge in 2021. I've been talking about cryptocurrencies like Echelon Prime. You want newer, you want sexier, you want things that haven't already exploded. And so this would have been my recommendation. First time I ever talked about Echelon Prime was in the fall, the fourth quarter of 2023. It was under $5 at the time. Now it's $17.82. I expect this to continue to go higher and to do very well in the bull run. But, you know, $637 million market cap. We're not getting a 100x out of this. Circulating supply, 32.2% in dilution. Total supply and max supply, 111 million. So we're going to have to do some work to figure things out with this in terms of vesting, especially given the fact that it's a newer cryptocurrency. There's not going to be much that I'll be able to look at in terms of historic market cap dominant or some other things that I really do like to look at in terms of giving a price prediction. So unfortunately, this is going to have to be a pretty low conviction target. Looking at the market cap, you can just see the effects of inflation here. The difference between price and market cap, it's just that's the name of the game with newer cryptocurrencies. So you've always got to figure out where this is going to be by the time that you think the crypto market is going to peak. Personally, for me, I believe that the crypto market is going to peak in December, not December, in the late end of 2024. I don't think we're going into 2025, maybe early 2025, but not the end of 2025, like what a lot of people are expecting. And so with that in mind, it may be one of these things where I'm not factoring in enough token dilution with this. You just got to keep that in mind. But unfortunately, there's some pretty big things happening with Echelon Prime and their token dilution moving forward. We are at the brink. I mean, literally, the day that I'm making this video, we are at the brink of a massive unlock for Echelon Prime, where the team is going to start getting their tokens. And so you can see, I know this chart, for some reason on this website where I took this screenshot, this chart's really difficult to see, tokenunlocks.com. I hope you can see it. And we are right there. I mean, we are within days of this huge unlock. And I mean, there's several other unlocks already happening on a regular basis, month by month. And so unfortunately, the timing of this price may be suppressed by what we have moving forward with this team unlock and just the constant drip of inflation that we're seeing with this cryptocurrency. And so I have an estimate for where I think this cryptocurrency is going to be by the end of the year. At least I took it from Token Unlocks, and we can see that on the next page. A 64 million circulating supply. So remember that 64 million circulating supply. Right now we're at 35 million. So this is almost going to double by the end of the year. We're talking 8 months. That is very highly inflationary for the short term. Next bull run, this might be a good one in terms of inflation, but right now, this is the name of the game. It's like there's a lot of gaming cryptocurrencies that I really like, but this seems to happen a lot. And I'm looking at Zay in particular, XAI. I made a video on that, and just forward looking, the inflation doesn't look so amazing for this cryptocurrency. And so how does that affect us? Okay, $10 billion is where I believe the market cap for this is going. That's a very bullish price target in terms of market cap. $10 billion divided by a 64 million circulating supply gives us $156.25 Echelon Prime price target. So you might look at the price, $17.82, and think like, yeah, that's a fantastic return. But at this point, I really think there are a lot of gaming cryptos that will put more than a 10x, especially I'm making this video late April 2024, and we've seen a lot of altcoins really suffer over these last few weeks. So Echelon Prime is not one of those. That's a good sign, but we got this unlock coming. So I think there's better plays, even though this is something like a 9x. I think there's better plays in terms of gaming, and that, you know, when we get to full-blown euphoria, gaming cryptos are going to go on an absolute tear, and this one's going to be held back a little bit by the circulating supply increase. So anyway, that is all I have for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful rest of your week. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button, join this channel as a member. Otherwise, I will most certainly be seeing you in another video. Peace.